Sole proprietor kasi yan, Norben Engineering and Building Contractor. Na contractor diyan sa LGU ng yung health project na yan, health center project.
Oo.
So ganito po ang nangyari.
Yes, sir.
Actually, nakakolect po kami ng 15% mobilization. Mandated po yan, so pay us kasi nasa RA 9184 yan. Oo, so yung mobilization yun, 15%. Thereafter, we concern, nakita naman ninyo, may structure kami doon. Na, but then, when we submitted our billing for the 20%, although meron po kami yan, I can provide you the voucher. It was already signed by the mayor na 20% na yun na availability of the funds. Pero up to the umabot po ng more than 2 months, hindi kami na-releasean ng bayad. Hindi po kami nabayaran. So it means to say, sila pang may utang sa amin ng 5%. Kasi sa RA 9184 din, once you have infused more than 10%, kasi dapat 10% ang counterpart namin more than 10% from the project and you were not able being paid with prescribed, i-check na lang po ninyo ang provision ng 9184.
9184.
Procurement law po yan.
Okay.
For that prescribed period, you can back out na. You can stop.
Okay. 45
yes,
days.
You can stop. Opo. You can stop. I'm not sure with the number of days, but it is stated in the RA 9184 po. Kaya pinapa-invoke ko yan sa sa lawyer ko. So we will be submitting counterpart to the LGU. Mali po yung nila. De fact, yung city engineer nila nag-confirm na meron kaming 18% accomplishment. Samantala 15% lang ang nakuha namin. So sila may utang sa amin, hindi kami ang may utang sa kanila.
Sobra pa yung trabaho nyo sa...
Sobra pa ang trabaho namin doon sa nabigay nila na sa amin. Tapos wala na silang pera.
Bakit mo nasabi, sir, na walang pera?
Yun na nga, sabi kasi doon sa billing namin, pinirmahan ni Mayor, availability of funds.
Kailan yun napirmahan,
sir?
sir?
Hindi kami nireleasean hanggang napudpud ang araw, hanggang na. So ano naman gagawin namin? Siyempre, we will be forced to back off. Kasi verbally sinabihan kami walang pera.
Oh no, kailan yan, sir? Kailan yan, engineer?
Na yung time, meron po ako, pinapakuha ko, alam mo naman, mahirap makakuha yung voucher na yun .
Kaya,
pero hinihingi po namin ngayon sa, kasi may access naman kami doon. Pero meron po ako statement, ma'am, ibigay ko po sa inyo, nakakabisaya kasi hindi ko masyadong naintindihan. Pinapatranslate ko pa sa English.
okay lang yan, sir.
Hindi masyadong malalim yung translation, ginawa ng mayor namin.
Mas maganda yan.
Attorney namin.
Mas maganda yan, engineer, na
I
Bisaya.
can furnish you that copy. I can furnish you that copy. I can send that through my to our messenger.
Engineer, sabi ni Mayor, August 11, 2025, terminated na yung project ninyo sa Mega Health.
Okay, that's good. No problem. Then we will also run after him about the little amount that we have with them.
So,
that is not our forte. It's their forte. They fail to pay us in due time.
Engineer, when kayo, ano bang proper term na gagamitin ko? It is okay for you na i-abandonar nyo ang Mega Health?
Hindi naman namin i-abandon yan. We just waiting for the instruction from the mayor. Ngayon, suddenly, sinabi nila, pinarebid na daw nila. How come na pinarebid nila? Samantala, hindi naman sila nag-terminate sa amin. Wala naman notice of termination sa amin. Wala naman kasi initially, parang suspended lang kami. So, dahil wala silang pera, dahil kung gugawin namin, next year pa daw kami bago mabayaran. So, actually, so we have to invoke kung ano naman yung counterpart. Hindi naman yung one side lang na the law protect them. They should also protect the contractor at the same time. Kaya hindi ka na alam mo naman dyan, hindi ka basta-basta makapasok dyan kung wala ka kilala sa loob .
Kaya nga, engineer, nasabi dito, March 19, 2024, nag-start yung trabaho nyo. When kayo nag-start?
Dapat yan, January yan. Just right up to, nandyan, kaya ma'am, documented po yan. Kaya kunin ko lang muna yung,
nasa document mo?
Yung, nasa yung billing namin. Request namin for billing. Thereafter po, after 45, after 2 months po, nag-stop na kami kasi hindi na kami nabayaran.
Yun lang talaga,
kasi
engineer, yung 15%?
Yes, opo. Yun lang po ang nabigay nila po.
Oo. So, sir,
Mobilization, tapos wala na silang pera.
oo.
So, I don't know. Kasi parang nag-aagawan yata sila sa national eh. Kasi inagaw lang din yan ng local yata yung project na dapat it should be through national eh.
Oo. Pero engineer, yung 18 million, allegedly, natanggap mo talaga yon for the whole.
Hindi 18 million, 18%. Ang 18 million, that is our next kwan sana. Ang next, actually, ang next
Next billing.
kwan namin is 20% next billing. So, ang first billing namin is only 15% po. Yung, hindi po yung billing, it's
Mobilization fund
it's
eh.
mobilization po, 15% po yun. That's only around 9 million po, hindi 18 million.
Oh, yun ang
Tapos
nakuha nyo.
nang nag-request kami for first billing namin ng 20%, yun hindi na kami narilisan.
Yung 20% na sana, para sa billing nyo naman, hindi na kayo narilisan.
Hindi na po narilisan.
So, yung money na naibigay sa inyo ng LGU is only 9 million.
Yes, kung 15% po. 15%,
Oh, 15%.
of that, more than 9 million po yun.
More than 9 million, but around 9 million.
Opo.
Tanghali sa